Hey guys, and welcome to, you probably guessed it, another Coliro video. They brought out 6 new colors in a set recently called Bling, as in bling bling. And yeah, you know me, my collection has to be complete at all times, so I got them. Not in the pan they come in, but separately as single colors, because as usual I'm gonna add them to my big collection. So let's unbox this thing. These boxes are always an adventure to open. So, paper, paper, more paper, new plastic boxes, one for me and one for my best friend, because I always order double because my best friend is collecting them as well. So yeah. Instructions as always. So now let's sort them out. I got a second little color. Thank you, Coliro. They also have a new finish pattern thingy, which I like very much. Fits the bling topic. Yeah, everything complete. There are the colors. Sort them by color. Golden topaz here, pink diamond, amethyst. I always wished for more purple colors. That's another one. I love those purples. Sapphire, opal, which is another magic one, I guess close to the that green pearl. I love the magic ones. These were the first ones I got, and I was so flashed by them that, yeah, I got addicted to the Coliros. And emerald. Yeah. So, and in a few, I'm gonna swatch them. See you in a few seconds. Okay, welcome to part 2, which is always the swatching. So first an explanation and an instruction for everyone who is new to these colors. If you want to use them and want a good color saturation so that you not only have a few glitter particles on your paper, put a drop or 2 of water onto your paint thingy, I don't know what they call it in English, and let it sit for a few minutes, and then stir it until it is really creamy and nice and thick. You can see when it's ready. That means you've got enough pigment mobilized so that the result will be nice. So here I'm having, yeah, of course I stacked all my paint boxes together again, so there, I don't know the number. Silly me. So here we have golden topaz. Oh, that is a pretty gold. That that was definitely a tone that was missing. Yeah. Quite close to the Arabic gold, I'd say. Yeah. Oh, good. I love swatching them every time because they're so pretty. I think, yeah, maybe in a last life I was a magpie. I love sparkly and shiny stuff. So, on to the next one, which is, let's stack my boxes again. Please excuse me being messy. Pink diamond, yeah, pink diamond. Again, stir it until it is really creamy. That way you've got enough pigment. Lovely shiny baby pink almost. I think I can see a silver undertone in there. Oh, so pretty. Gosh, I love these colors. Diamond 67. Okay, onwards to the next one, which was amethyst. And you know me, I'm a sucker for purple, so I love this color already. Yep. Definitely, I'd say a thing between the vibrant purple and maybe the deep purple. Yeah. Pretty again. Where to put this one, but it's pretty. On to the next one, which is, probably you can guess it, sapphire. This one has been sitting a little bit too long. If you let them sit too long, they go all slushy, kinda. Oh, pretty. Kind of a darker version of the vibrant blue. So pretty. Next one, which is a magic. I always love these. Yeah, but you know that. This one is called Opal. Yeah, a good name for it because it looks like one, and I love opals. Oh God. I wish I could have one, but they're so expensive. Yep, definitely opal. Yep. Oh, wait. Mistake. If you use these magic colors, make sure you apply them thin. to get the effect, because otherwise you will have this milky foam or whatever that is stuff in there. Yeah, very pretty, that one. So let's come to the last one, which is a green, and of course it's called Emerald. Looks like a bit of a phthalo green to me. Kind of similar to the Fiji one. Mix between the Fiji and the Caribbean, let's say. So pretty. Yeah. Yep. They've definitely done a great job with these again. I love them all. Yeah, all in all, as I see them swatched now, definitely a few tones that were missing. Yeah. As I have the other swatches here, I still can't go over the Fenrir, how you pronounce it. this purplish with a hint of gold in there. I still need to paint something to use that. Oh, they're very pretty again. I love them all. Yeah, thank you, Coliro. Thank you for making these paints. Thank you for, supplying shiny watercolor addicts like me with these pretty things. Yeah, and that's it again. As always, I'm gonna do a close-up now with the camera so that you can see. And I'm already saying thank you. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this one, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.